What is fuzzy logic in AI and its uses? Fuzzy logic is a form of mathematical reasoning that deals with imprecise and vague information. Unlike traditional binary logic, which is absolute, true or false, fuzzy logic is more human-like. It represents uncertainty in a natural way. It uses fuzzy sets and linguistic variables. They let the system work with degrees of truth, not rigid values. A key part of fuzzy logic is the fuzzy inference system. Applications of fuzzy logic in AI. Control systems. Fuzzy logic is widely used in control systems. It handles complex, nonlinear processes. It enables better control strategies. They are more adaptive and intuitive. This boosts performance and efficiency. Pattern recognition. Fuzzy logic is used in pattern recognition, like image and speech recognition. It enables machines to recognize and interpret patterns in data with varying degrees of certainty. Decision making. Decision support systems use fuzzy logic. It helps to make decisions more like humans. It helps in weighing multiple factors and arriving at optimal decisions even in uncertain conditions. Robotics. Fuzzy logic is vital in robotics. It helps with motion planning, navigation, and object manipulation. By incorporating fuzzy logic, robots can exhibit more intelligent and adaptive behavior. Benefits of fuzzy logic in AI. Handling uncertainty. Fuzzy logic handles uncertain, incomplete data well. It is ideal for real-world applications where data may not be precise. Better decisions. Fuzzy logic allows for more nuanced, context-aware decisions. It helps AI systems make better judgments. Fuzzy logic is flexible. It can capture the complexities of human reasoning. This can lead to more adaptive AI systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, fuzzy logic in AI is a human-like way to handle uncertainty in decisions and problems.